Hi guys, it's me again, Samantha. I'm gonna sing now, Fireworks by Katy Perry. Okay, I'm not gonna have the lyrics so I'm gonna do the one that, cause I do in the band Fireworks, so just this, like that. Okay. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel into paper thin, like a house of cards and going caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, and there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like a 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make it go just shoot across the sky. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. It'll be the reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect glow. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will go, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like a 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make it go just shoot across the sky. That's all I did, so bye. Hope you enjoyed this video.